It looks like an old inn.
My dress is brown.
We are so out of fashion. It looks like we're wearing old potato sacks.
What a yummy-looking dish.
I'm hungry. Will there be pasta with tomato sauce?
I don't know. It looks like that man is eating soup.
He's eating beans.
Who is that man?
We ended up in the painting, The Bean Eater.
Beans? Blah!
Diva, you ought to try some legumes.
Why?
Are
they
they
good?
Of course they're delicious. Let's ask him.
We understood that beans are good. As we can see, they're great when you eat them together with bread and vegetables.
Legumes should be eaten several times during the week.
Do we want to try them?
Where do they grow? On trees? Inside flowers?
No, legumes are planted. They are ancient seeds. Even the ancient Egyptians used to grow them.
They are grown everywhere. There are Mexican lima beans, the white ones from Spain, the Japanese azuki ones.
Did you know that they have lots of protein like meat?
Legumes are a fantastic resource for adapting crops to climate change.
I didn't understand anything. I just know that legumes are more fun to eat than study.
Top Hat is right. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since this morning.
Let's go cook a delicious pasta with beans. Then we'll go back to our classroom.
This pasta with beans is really good.
We learned from this adventure to eat in a
healthy
healthy way,
varied and balanced. Goodbye, and see you in our next adventure.